angels, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me yet, my name is Evie, and a few weeks ago my boyfriend and I have moved into our new dream apartment. So you and I are now entering the second part of customizing and furniturizing our new home. Although I've ordered everything from furniture to decoration and stuff pretty much on the same day, some things take a little bit longer to arrive, especially bigger furniture, but I guarantee that besides that, this part will definitely be filled with so many other exciting things to do and to build up. For today, one thing I'm gonna start with is definitely the hallway. As you can see, I've already kind of done something, but I also want to paint the walls, and then after I'm finished with that, I want to set up the mirrors, so it's already standing there, but I didn't want to hang it yet before painting, and my boyfriend has already set up the tape. And before I start painting, here's what we have done so far. So I ordered this bench, which has lots of storage in it because I just need storage in everything, in the couch, in the bed, in the hallway. So this is what we're working with right now. And then we have this lamp, and then this painting which I just got from Pinterest, and then this frame from IKEA, I don't know, or maybe just a random website. And as you can see, this doesn't look good right here. It's not dirty, it's just broken kind of, but we will paint this as well. Okay, listen, I've already changed my clothing. I'm just about to paint these walls, and right now I'm kind of just putting all of the stuff that is in here outside. And you have seen how the room looked like before, but honestly I think it would be so much better we just furniturize or decorate this room a bit differently. So I will put the mirror on here, and I would obviously hang it onto the wall, but just so that you get the vision. Besides aesthetics, the first reason why this would be so much better is because the lighting, even right now it's more even because we're not standing in front of the door with the different lighting. And then also when you open the front door, the mirror is pretty much the first thing that you will see, so it immediately makes the room appear larger, and it just adds much more depth to this corner because this wall isn't really away that much. From this side, yes, but not from this side. While on this side, we already have the depth that I'm talking about. You guys, I'm so obsessed. From the flooring hues to the pink and also the warm lighting, it's just perfect. One thing that I'm just a little bit unsure about is this frame, because it looks cute like that, and I was also thinking because this candle holder has gold and black in it, so it kind of combines this black in here with the gold, but I feel like the frame is just too modern to be in here. I don't know, what do you think? And also for the hand-painted wallpaper, I feel like it would be too much, so I think I would just leave it like that, or I would do moldings and then like this. But I don't know, I'm not sure, so please tell me what you think. And I honestly really like the contrast between the more modern black and white and the gold, because to me it really gives this neoclassical interior vibe that I wanted to go for. I'm just not sure if it's neoclassical in a good or in a bad way. And then this would be my filming background, or probably from this angle, which I think is just so gorgeous. Maybe also like this, but I'm not sure yet about that one. And of course also from this angle, because I'm obsessed. And then this is what it looks like without the light. It's a bit gloomy outside today, so it's not really allowing that much daylight. Okay, so a few days have passed, maybe like 1 week almost, ever since I have uploaded the last video, and I have been sick literally the whole time. I've already been sick when uploading the first part, which some of you might notice because of the voiceover in the intro of the last video, and I think you can also tell it because I don't really look like I'm feeling well. But anyways, right now we have 2 pieces of furniture that I still have to set up. Then we have the curtains, the wall moldings, and a little bit more of the flooring, which sounds a lot, and it actually is, but it's all more like little projects, because I feel like the worst part might have been the wardrobe. Most of the peel and stick flooring is already on. So I would say we start with part of the flooring that's left, and then we move over to the working shelf kind of from my boyfriend. And we also just removed our Christmas tree. Here you can still see the ornaments. I will also have to put this away. This is where the sofa is supposed to go to, but we just decided to put the desk and everything here. All of this will be gone because I don't want this table, and also not these, like, can you even call it chairs? And still, we're having it here because on there I still have to apply the flooring and stuff. Okay, before we start, I want to give you a little haul of the new things I got, primarily just some new decoration stuff. So we have this one. I'm so obsessed with the print, but also with the frame. Like, it's so gorgeous. And then I also got 2 peel and stick rolls for our balcony door. So this one, it does look a bit more bluish in real life, but it's supposed to be fully pink. I'm just a bit sad because the area where the door has glass on it is like really small, and I'm not quite sure you can actually see that. And also please ignore that I'm talking so slowly. It's just because I'm sick and I don't know, my brain is not functioning. Why did I order screws on Timo? Because they are bigger ones, but do you see that? That's crazy. And also, mind you, I have very small hands, and also please don't mind my nails. I snapped half of them off, so I decided to just trim all of them until we're done with the whole renovation stuff. This is the current state of my hands. Very feminine, we love. And then I have this one, and please tell me, why does Timo have such good quality in their products, especially when it comes to like home appliances, if you can call it like that, and decorations. Because I don't know if you guys can see that, but the quality is actually so good. It's even better in real life. If you're wondering what this is, it's from my makeup brushes, and you can just put this out. And then you have like a cute little jar thing for your makeup brushes. So far it's going good, but I destroyed the furniture and the flooring, so not so good, because I've used the wrong screws. As you can see, they are now visible on this side. Obviously I changed it to the right ones, but yeah. But instead, what I will definitely be doing today are the wall moldings, and I'm so excited for these. I must say the material is interesting. I thought it's some sort of styrofoam, but it's not. It's like squishy, I don't know. It's kind of like calamari. And while I'm sticking it onto the wall, I'm always just going along, while with the other hand I'm kind of pressing this onto the wall so that it's straight. And here we have the curtains. I really love them. We still have to take out these things from the wall because we had to remeasure because it just didn't look good. And then also for the other window, it's slightly in front of the wardrobe, but that's fine. I already have 2 of them here, but I will put another one and then put a pink bag probably on top of it, as well as some other decoration. So here we have the curtains. I'm so in love and they look even more beautiful in real life. And they are just so pretty. And now off to the flooring. I also love the color combination of the wardrobe and the flooring, and I will also add some wooden wardrobe doors. Okay, I'm not quite done yet. I know this part is still completely missing, but I'm really curious and excited for the dining table, so I will build this up now and then I will put it on here because we have a pretty good area for this now, I would say, so around here. And yeah, then I will show you again, and I can't wait to see it, and I also can't wait for you to see it. The only issue I'm having right now is that the main part of the table is pretty much the same weight as I am, so I don't really know how to put this onto here. Moving over to our balcony door, and this is its current state. Kind of basic if you ask me, but that's why I bought this beautiful foil that looks like stained glass. I got it off Amazon, and what I love most about this, it doesn't have any glue on it, so you can just put it on your window and it will stay there. And even if you decide to not have it there anymore, it won't leave any sticky residue on the window. That's the result, and I'm truly so in love. And that is already it for now, so I really hope that you guys loved it as much as I did. And I can't wait to see you again, either in part 3 of our moving diaries or perhaps in one of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching and love you, bye!